In this video, we want to see whether the following series converges, diverges. We have the sum from n equals 1 to infinity of n factorial times n to the n power over 2n factorial. So we're going to use a ratio test to see. So let's look at the n plus first term over the nth term. So for the n plus first term, we're going to replace n with n plus 1. So that turns into n plus 1 factorial times n plus 1 raised to the n plus 1 power over 2n plus 2 factorial, and then divided by the nth term, which is just the original, n factorial times n to the nth over 2n factorial. And so now what we're going to do is the first one, so it's basically the numerator multiplied by the reciprocal of the denominator. So this is the n plus first term on the left, and this is the reciprocal of the nth term. And so now a lot of things are going to cancel. But first, we can rewrite some things. So before we had n plus 1 factorial, this was n plus 1 factorial. That can be rewritten as n plus 1 times n factorial. And then 2n plus 2 factorial, that's down here, that can be rewritten as 2n plus 2 times 2n plus 1 times 2n factorial. The nice thing is there's going to be some things canceling. So we have the n factorial canceling, 2n factorial canceling, and what we're left with is n plus 1 times n plus 1 to the n plus 1 power over 2n plus 2, 2n plus 1 times n to the nth power. Now we can simplify this further. The numerator, we both have an n plus 1 as the base, so we add the exponents and get n plus 2 as the exponent. We'll leave the denominator the same. But now we can factor out the denominator. So here we have a 2 can come outside and have n plus 1 left. And so this is going to cancel with this. So we have n plus 1 to the n plus first power over 2 times the quantity 2n plus 1 times n to the nth. And so now I can break this up into two separate expressions. So the first one being 1 over 2 times 2n plus 1, and the second one being n plus 1 to the n plus 1 power over n to the nth power. And we can break up n plus 1 to the n plus 1 power as just n plus 1 times n plus 1 to the nth, and then that can be inside here, so n plus 1 over n to the nth, which I can break up the fraction here. So this will be 1 plus 1 over n raised to the nth power. So you have n plus 1 over 2 times the quantity 2n plus 1 times 1 plus 1 over n to the nth power. Now, we know that this limit right here is going to approach e. And n plus 1 over 2 times 2n plus 1, that, if you distribute the 2, we get n plus 1 over 4n plus 2, which is roughly n over 4n, which is 1/4. So this limit over here is going to be 1/4. So we have 1/4 times e, which gives us e over 4 as our limit. And because we're using the ratio test, we want the limit to be less than 1 in order for it to converge. E over 4 is about 0.68. That is less than 1. So we say that the series converges.